In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a voice clip from Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or go to Messenger in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account where the voice message was sent. Then, open the conversation that contains the voice clip you want to download. Scroll through the chat until you find the exact voice message you need. It can help to quickly scan for the little audio waveform icon or the play button, since that's how voice clips are usually displayed. Once you've located the voice clip, tap or click the play button just to confirm it's the right one. Double-check the length and content so you know you're downloading the correct message. This is especially useful if there are several voice clips in the same conversation. Now, the key thing to understand is that Messenger doesn't always show a clear download button for voice messages, especially on the mobile app. Because of that, the most reliable way to download the audio is usually through a web browser on a computer. So, open a browser like Chrome or Edge, go to the Messenger website, and open the same conversation there. Find the same voice clip again in the browser. Hover your mouse over the audio message. In many cases, you'll see additional options appear, such as an icon with 3 dots or a small menu. Click that menu and look for an option related to saving or downloading the audio. The wording can vary, but it's often something like Save Audio or Download. If the download option appears, click it, and your browser will either ask where you want to save the file or automatically place it in your default downloads folder. Once it's saved, you can rename the file so it's easy to recognize later, and move it to a specific folder for your recordings or important messages. If your browser doesn't give you a direct download option, a useful workaround is to open the browser's built-in tools to inspect the page and locate the audio file. Then open that file in a new tab and save it from there. This takes a bit more effort, but it still relies on the same idea. You're accessing the audio file that Messenger is already playing in your browser, and then saving a copy of it to your computer.